Was a promoter first. I started out doing show first, so I said, shit, why not come up with the ultimate plan? Be the hottest artist with your own promotion company. So I put it together, man. My vision came to me at my lowest point. I was in prison, doing 4 years, 11 months on a drug charge. I was writing this shit, drawing this shit in the penitentiary. Niggas were talking about, damn, 777 got all them damn bags and shit. Straight up, I was carrying my company down that road and they switching me out on them yards in South Carolina. Go ahead and put that boss up on, man. We're gonna do this shit right. Everybody fuck 777 come to this thing, man. Let's do this shit right. We gotta let them have it right, man. We bossed up. Hey, y'all know what time it is. We gotta turn up, bro. For real, everybody in the building who bossed up, man, 777 fuck with you. Turn that shit up. Yeah. Let's go. Bossed up. I'm bossed up. I'm bossed up. I'm bossed up. Bossed in